Hi guys, I'm back and sorry if medyo na-mouse ako, but I really want to push this video kasi sobrang late upload na to guys and gusto ko talaga siyang i-share sa inyo. So yung Siargao trip na to guys is, that's my cat. So ayun na nga, yung Siargao trip na to is nung Holy Week siya and grinab lang namin yung opportunity na long weekend because some of my friends are office-based. So, ayun na nga. Sobrang napag-usapan lang talaga namin siya sa group chat namin na mag-Siargao kami. So, but hindi namin siya plinano. Since konti lang yung time namin to prepare, medyo nag-fully book talaga yung lahat ng kinontak namin kasi nga, Holy Week siya, long weekend, ang daming nagbakasyon that time. So, may nakontak lang kaming isang package tour and sobrang happy kami kasi na-push talaga namin yung Siargao trip na to. So, ayun na nga, since madalian siya, hindi rin kami nakapag-save ng money for this Siargao trip kasi nga, madalian lang siya na pag-uusap. So, medyo nakunan yung savings natin. But it's fine kasi ang importante is nag-enjoy tayo sa Siargao trip na to. So, yung nakontak namin guys is only the island tour package with accommodation, which is good na. So, yung inclusion naman guys sa island tour package with accommodation is 3 days and 2 nights accommodation, free breakfast, pick up and drop off support, island hopping tour with lunch. So, yung lunch is parang may Siargao. Yung parang may Siargao, kasama na doon yun sa island tour package with accommodation. So, yung transportation naman namin guys is nag-rent kami ng self-drive car dito sa CDO for only 2,500 pesos per day. And yung budget naman namin sa gas is 5,000 pesos. Sumobra kami ng 500. Ginamit namin siya para pagpa-washing ng car, para malinis siya before namin siya isauli sa may-ari. So, the rest guys is DIY na siya, like the ferry, Surigao to Dapa, back and forth, parking fee, yung other meals like the lunch, dinner, nightlife, i-try nyo yung nightlife sa Siargao guys, land tour, DIY din siya, surfing, i-try nyo din yung surfing, mag-enjoy kayo for sure, and yung motorbike. So, ayun na nga guys, yung package yung na-contact namin is island tour package with accommodation and the rest is DIY na siya. So guys, please watch this video kasi yung ibang expenses ko, like yung mga price range ng meals, is nandito sa video na to. If you're in a tight budget, you better watch this video. Fresh pa ba?
Pag-ingat na ba? Hi guys!
Ito lang ko mag-intro. Pwede ko ka-intro doon.
So, nag-record na? Oo. Ay, dapat pa. Baka kayo dira ay.
Hi! Siargao Port!
Yung bag ko.
Hi guys! We're finally here in Siargao after a very long drive. And actually, dumating kami dito kaninang umaga. But since umulan, so we have time para matulog muna kasi wala talaga kaming tulog guys. So ayun, since umulan nang dumating kami, nag-breakfast lang kami and then natulog. So ayun, nakapag-freshen up na kami. It's 12 noon here and finally lumabas na yung araw and it's a perfect day para mag-start ng land tour.
Good!
Tuna Road.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves
150 pesos. Parang siya souvenir area here, guys. Ay, hi guys, we're back here sa accommodation namin and sobrang nakakapagod today, guys. Even though parang today is parang more on road trip lang kami, but nakakapagod kasi ilang oras lang yung tulog namin since nung dumating kami dito. But everything is worth it. Happy naman kami na nandito na kami ngayon sa Siargao. We just need to sulitin namin yung oras namin dito. And yeah, anyway, today maliligo lang kami and we will just eat our dinner. And yeah, I'll update you guys later if kung anong ganap namin for tonight. So ano daw ba sexy? Sexy daw si Andy Carno.
Thank you.
Island tour, guys. Hi guys, we're here at Outer Cafe and we will be having our post-surf snack. Actually, pumunta sana kami doon sa Kanaway Cafe pero madaming tao doon. Kasi yung ibang tao is nagbabaka sakali silang makita si Auntie doon. So, but yeah, andito kami ngayon sa Outer Cafe but yung bahay ni Auntie is andyan lang, diba? Sobrang malapit lang si Auntie sa amin. This is our food. Japanese souffle. Pineapple shake. Hi guys, we're here at Tropical Temple and we will be having our dinner here with my friends. Oh my god. Alam mo ako yan, isa ka lechon kawali, then grilled pork belly with plain rice, then small plates tayo sa fish kinilaw. Hi guys, so we're here at Kanin Baboy. Dito kami kakain ng dinner. And this is their price list. They have house specials, rice meals, vegetables, small plates, and they also serve like extras, desserts, and drinks.